Okay, y'all, here is number 2.
How I love the city of mine. See me knock your socks off. Never gets me at the top. City of mine.
Oh my goodness.
How I love
Of what will be my Renaissance outfits came, so I wanted to show you guys. Really talking about corporate and productivity and just how we're advancing our careers, how we're thinking about our careers as Black women in corporate America. What's up, y'all? Good morning. Happy Thursday, or whenever you're watching this video. Today is Thursday, August 10th, 11th, something like that. It'll be on the screen. So yeah, welcome back to another video. Welcome back. My name is Cece. For those of you who don't know, we talk about productivity, our corporate careers, and just all around how to be a badass woman on this channel. So if that is something you're interested in, make sure you stay tuned. We are, of course, on our way to the gym. Your girl is just sucking down some pre-workout, and I need to take a protein bar because I am hungry. When I go to the gym first thing in the morning, I usually go fasted, which probably isn't the best, but it is what it is. So I'm taking a protein bar and I'm having my pre-workout. What is good, y'all? I miss y'all. I vlogged. It's been a couple weeks, or a week. Couple weeks. No, it's been a couple weeks, and I just been, I don't know. I haven't really been feeling it. I've had a couple things going on personally. I had a family member pass away last week, so that was really sad. And I have to get ready for their services. Well, depending on when they have it, I might actually miss the services because we are going to Tampa next week to see Beyonce. The Renaissance concert is next Wednesday, and we'll be in Tampa from Tuesday to Friday. And so I may miss the services, just because, you know, obviously we have a pre-planned trip. But my aunt did pass away, and oh my God, best person ever. She always commented on my videos, y'all. Always just show love wherever she went. Everybody loved her. She was loud and funny and just, oh my gosh, best person ever. She's only 61, and it happened pretty suddenly. So just really, you know, been kind of a somber last week, but I am excited to be going to the Renaissance concert next week, you guys. I have been obviously waiting on that since February. I've been talking, we bought tickets in February, so just super excited about that, and to kind of hang out in Tampa. I've never been to Tampa, and just hang out in Tampa and see, you know, what Tampa got going on. So that should be a really, really good time. And I've just heard nothing but amazing things about the Renaissance tour in general. I've heard nothing but praises and amazing things, and I just feel like it's going to be everything. Like, that's just how I feel. I still have not picked out my outfit. The concert is in 6 days. We take off in 5 days, and I have not picked out my outfit yet. However, the last few pieces are coming today, so we're gonna try everything on today, and we're going to pick out an outfit so I can start packing, because we leave on Tuesday and it's Thursday. So I need to pick out an outfit so I can start, you know, packing up my suitcase. I want to see if I can get it in a carry-on and not have to deal with a checked luggage, but we'll see, because your girl's doing full glam for the Beyonce concert. I also want to do, like, I want to make sure I have like some lighting, because I do want to do kind of a Renaissance get ready with me in the hotel room, if the space allows in the hotel room. So So that might be up before this video if I got to do it. So I want to be able to do that, so I got to make sure, you know, I have like all my makeup, because we're going full glam for the concert. We're not skipping eyeshadow, we're not skipping, you know, nothing. We're going full glam. So well, I'll show you my outfit, the stuff that I have later. I just have a bunch of different pieces, and I have to figure out how I'm going to put them together. And then some things probably need to go back to Amazon, because I don't need all of that stuff. And my entire outfit is gonna be from Amazon. Everything, including the shoes. Entire outfit from Amazon. So, you know, that's my life these days. We don't shop designer, we shop Amazon. That's what we do. But I think that's it for now. I ain't gonna hold y'all, okay? If you haven't already, go ahead, click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I need to go on this gym and get my upper body day done so I can get back to work. And I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye. It's about 3 p.m. and, you know, I was about to grab y'all some B-roll of me working, you know, all that stuff as vloggers do. And the power just goes out like 20 minutes ago. Power just went out, has not come back on. It is a perfectly sunny day. Power just gone. So me and my daughter are about to head out to grab, I don't know, we're just gonna walk, grab something maybe, I don't know. But my husband said the power is also out up the street too. Like I was gonna go to Smoothie King. Power's out of Smoothie King apparently. So I don't know where we're going, what we're doing, but we're just gonna take a little walk, and I'm gonna get
Dollar General.
Ain't nothing at Dollar General.
Yes, there's candy.
I'm gonna get some of these steps in and close out my rings for the day. And, you know, I guess no more work for me. That's what this means to me. So let's go. I've been what?
You've been going to Rock.
I know. Gotta get my steps in. Gotta get our steps in. We're at about 7,000 for the day. So obviously we're trying to hit 10K. No, not 10K. 15K for our challenge. Go. Child, I done got this whole block out messing around with the power lines. Look at this. They done got this whole daggone block out. Alright, what's up y'all? It is later, like way later. 6:49 p.m. and I have just over 11,000 steps in, so I still have about 4,000 to go, which I don't know. We're gonna try to get in a minute. However, the last pieces of my Renaissance outfit came, or of what will be my Renaissance outfits came, so I wanted to show you guys. Plus I got another exciting package in the mail that I wanted to show you guys as well. So let's talk. All right, so I wanted to show you guys, I got an exciting package from the Coldest Water. Let's see what they sent me. For those of you who don't know, I've been an ambassador with them for probably about 2+ years now, and I have bought 1 million of their water bottles, and they've also sent me several, and I just am in love. It is literally my absolute favorite water bottle ever. I have been using those water bottles, that brand, for a little over 2 years. I'll put my discount code and everything down below, but you guys, they sent me a new one, I believe. I see it. Oh my god, this is huge. How big is this bottle? Look at this box. Look how tall this is in comparison. I know the bottle cannot be this big. This is their Limitless bottle in Astro Purple. It's 46 ounces. This could totally be my at-home protein water Crystal Light water bottle. So, okay, if you haven't been watching me, I use different water bottles for different things. So I like water bottles with like a pull-out straw that kind of look like this. I use those around the house. I normally don't take them places. I use those around the house just because they don't, like, the straw doesn't close, and that just feels like unsanitary to me to take it out the house. So I use those bottles around the house for like my Crystal Light, anything that I'm gonna put an enhanced flavor in. I use those around the house for that. And then my coldest water bottles that have the pop-up straw, the ones that I've shown you guys a million times, that we've talked about a million times, those I take to the gym, I take with me, I take those everywhere, and I love them. Oh my gosh, we love a good water bottle, honey. Oh, and they just sent me, okay, so they are having a coldest summer sale. All right, so 10% off at coldest.com. all right, so make sure you use my referral link, everything down below. They have a 10% off sale for you guys. Okay, and this is their brand new bottle. This is the Limitless water bottle. So let's see what it looks like. They gave it to me in the Astro Purple. Okay, so that's not all water bottle, thank God, because I was like, that's gonna be like carrying around a water bottle like this. So I did see that they have different tops, and wasn't I just talking about this? Okay, so they have different tops. This is the top that I prefer to take to the gym, the one that you guys see me use all the time, and it's the pop-up straw. So let's put this down. So basically, you just pull the tab, and the straw pops up like that. You see that? And then it pops back down to keep it, you know, sanitary when you're not using it. But this also has this top. What is this? So this is, how do you use this one? Oh, you pull the tab down. So this is kind of pop up and drink. You have this on the bottle and you just pop it up and drink it. So that's what that one looks like. And this is nice because it closes and it locks so it doesn't leak. And then it still has the handle that you can hold it. Y'all know I love the handle. It's probably one of my favorite features on the water bottle. Now let's get into the bottle. Yeah, this thing is like freaking stacked. So it comes with 2 straws, and this is the same size straw that I have for my other coldest water bottle, and this looks like the same size top too, so I can probably interchange the tops. But yeah, this fat straw I think goes on to this top right here, and then this is probably the straw that you put directly into the bottle, is what I'm assuming. It comes with, is this like a shaker thing or an infuser? What is this? This thing comes with everything, like every accessory. Oh my God. She's so cute. And she's huge. Like, this is most of my water for the day. You guys know all about the coldest water. You know why I love them so much? Because my water stays cold for literally 3 days. Like, I kid you not, my water stays cold for 2+ days. It is absolutely crazy, and it's one of the reasons I love it, because my ice stays in it. So if you're like going to an amusement park or something like that, I recently took my other coldest water bottle we went to an amusement park last weekend, took the coldest water bottle, ice was in the bottle all day. All I had to do was refill it with water. And so, oh, so you can sip it, you can use it as a shaker bottle, you can chug it, or do the flip top or the one hand. And so this right here is the top that you put the purple straw in. So you have 3 separate tops. Wow, that's a lot of depth. Like, that is a girthy bottle, and it's still small enough, because my biggest complaint with the 32 ounce is that it doesn't fit in a cup holder. This one fits in a cup holder, y'all, and just look at the design. Let me take off the tag here. Okay, so this is great because it fits in a cup holder in the car, which I hate that my other ones don't. But look at that pretty design. And I don't got to worry about Mark stealing it, because he ain't going to walk around with this design. So it is perfect. Oh my God, thank you to them for sending this over. Thank you, Coldest Water. Like I said, you guys, link is down below. Check out their new Limitless bottles. I swear to God, these are worth every freaking penny. Like, your girl's getting all her water in. Okay, all her water. All right, let's switch gears and talk about Beyonce. We have several different pieces here that we need to figure out and make an outfit with. I don't know how we gonna do it. I don't know what we gonna do. But we need to make a solid outfit for Queen Bee. And I ain't ready. I got these earrings. Oh, those are gonna be cute. I think these are the earrings that I'm gonna wear in my first haul. I think I'm gonna wear these earrings right here because those are gonna be really, really cute. And then this is the last piece of the outfits that I was thinking. Okay. This is the last piece, and it's like a little dress. You see like the little stars on it. I didn't know the stars were so prevalent though. I thought it was a little more, just not as prevalent. I just thought it was a little more subdued, but it's cool. And I think this might be the perfect piece to finish off what I have in my head. Now I have several pieces, like several bottoms, several tops. So we'll try on everything kind of all together. And then we'll make a decision. Okay, y'all, here is outfit number 1. So I have this, I can't get it zipped until my husband comes home, but I have this like little see-through kind of mesh dress, and then I'm just wearing a black bra, and then I have this guy, which I'm not loving, I'm not gonna lie. I have this little skirt is actually what it is, so it is actually short underneath, and this is, I feel like this just isn't the one. Like, just the way I'm feeling right now, I just don't feel like this is the one. I feel like I'll know when I have the one, and this ain't it. I don't know. You guys, what do you think? Not that you'll see this before I go to the concert, but I don't think this is the one. You guys, I'm sure you guys will tell me if I make the wrong decision, because you always do. But it goes like, it doesn't go super far down, but this is what we have, and it's open in the front as well. So this is like outfit 1 is what I was thinking, and I'm just not loving the bottoms. I don't mind the bra and I don't mind the dress, but I'm not loving the bottoms. So let's keep looking. Okay, y'all, here is number 2. Baby yelling. Here's number 2. It's the same, you know, mesh dress, same bra, but I just switched the bottoms to these regular, like they're just black jean shorts. And I kind of like these bottoms better with this whole ensemble. I still don't feel like this is it though. I feel like I'm missing something, but this is what we have here. I really feel like this dress is the answer. I think what we wear under it is what I'm missing. And I actually even feel like this bra is good. I think it's more so the bottoms, and I feel like maybe I want some color. I don't know, but this is the next one, and this one's better than the first one to me. Which thing with this? Okay, y'all, so I put back on the first outfit. I took a little break, put back on the first outfit because I wanted to see it with the accessories. Oh my god, let me back you guys up a little bit. I don't know, this might be it.
No, not in me.
No, nobody wants to see you. Ain't nobody trying to see you. Okay, so, oh, you can't really,